All right, students. So I went ahead and I did the letter maze just like you guys are working on right now. So if you clicked on the link, this is the solution of how to get out of here. Again, I'm not going to show you any code. So just make sure if you guys read the instructions. Number one, I know normally to get the robot to go faster, you guys use the set velocity block to 100%. This may not work because the robot may move too quickly into the walls and he may get knocked off course. So you may want to avoid that block or maybe just turn down the velocity a little bit. All right. So while you're working on this, you are going to have to decide which drive forward block that you need. Because, for example, when your robot gets to this area right here and it has to move here, it's not going to hit a wall. So there's no wall to hit. Okay, so you're not really going to use the regular drive forward. You're going to have to specify how far your robot needs to move from here to here. So you may have to mess with that number a little bit, like I had to. So it's going to take a little bit to get through this. All right, but this is what it's going to look like. So hit play, and hopefully it runs right the first time. Okay, so it didn't. So I'm going to refresh it. I'll try it again. Let's see how this one works. That's a little better. There we go. Okay, so it hits a wall and then it turns. But if there is no wall for the robot to hit, then you have to specify how far your robot needs to go. And that's good enough. It worked the first time. But again, you may have to run it. For some reason, it doesn't run the same every time you run it, even though you haven't changed the code. It's kind of weird. So if you have any problems, just let me know. But that's what it should look like.